First of all, I want to apologize because it's November and I should be wearing a mustache right now. In Cosmic Kingdom, we want to raise awareness about cancer. Today, I'm going to talk about a very big telescope that is being built, or is going to be built in Hawaii. Fingers crossed. This is Monterey, and welcome to my Cosmic Kingdom. The telescope I'm talking about is the 30 meters telescope, or TMT. It's going to be the biggest telescope on Earth, and it's really big. Just to give you an idea, the Hubble Space Telescope has a mirror with a diameter of 2 meters. This is going to be 30. It's so big that they cannot create a single dish, a single mirror. So they have to construct it by just using small mirrors that are going to be placed all together with incredible precision. The Hubble Space Telescope doesn't have any atmosphere that produces this blurring. It's called seeing, and is the reason why the stars twinkle. That is going to be solved because this telescope is so powerful that it has something that is called adaptive optics, and it's basically a laser that goes up to the sky and it's able to measure the state of the atmosphere, and then with computers they are able to subtract the effect of the atmosphere. So it's going to be really good telescope. If you like the pictures that are there from Hubble Space Telescope, this one is going to be incredible. So why I'm bringing this today? Well, the main reason is just to share with you that there is this project that is amazing. But the second reason is because this telescope is supposed to be built in Hawaii, on top of Mauna Kea. The reasons why we put the telescopes on top of mountains is because you want to decrease the amount of atmosphere you're crossing, and you don't want to have much vapor of water also. So that's why you go up in the mountains. And we like islands because islands don't have any other sources of contaminations. The problem is that the indigenous people of Hawaii, they believe the Mauna Kea is a sacred place, and they don't want anything built on top of their sacred place. Okay, I normally don't agree with these things because I think the best way to preserve a place like that is just to put an observatory on top of that, because no one is going to take that observatory down, and it has low pollution, it has restricted access, etc. But everyone has a right to believe in what they believe in. So they are just going through this complicated legal process, and I'm trying to stop that. And this is why I'm happy, because La Palma in Spain, it's also an island, it's also very high, and it's a candidate to place the telescope in case the courts in the states don't allow it to be built on top of Hawaii. And I'm really thrilled only with the possibility of having that telescope in La Palma. Should Spain have like normal government, they should have sent someone months ago there to the telescope consortium saying like La Palma is great, La Palma is great, La Palma is great. We don't have our indigenous people don't care about if you build something on top of the mountain, but I don't know what they are doing. It's also really good for the UK also, because sending someone to observe to Hawaii, it's much more expensive than just putting someone on a Monarch or an EasyJet flight to La Palma and going there. Or I'm saying the UK because I'm living here, but it applies for Germany, France, and all the European countries. So I hope the indigenous people of Hawaii get away with this one. And just to be a little bit superstitious, I'm going to do the same as Pedro Almodovar, and I'm just going to pray to the Virgin of Las Nieves, which is the protector of La Palma Island, just to get the TMT installed there. I'm going to finish this episode here, and go TNT to Canary Islands, and see you next week, guys. Bye bye.